In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to connect Replit to GitHub push code updates. By the end, you'll know how to link your Replit project to your GitHub account, push your latest changes, and download a copy of your repository to your computer. Start by opening Replit and loading the project you want to sync. Give a moment to initialize so all your files are visible. At the top of the interface, look for the Git option. This opens Replit's built-in Git panel where you'll manage your connection and pushes. Inside the Git panel, open the settings by clicking the small gear icon. This is where you confirm that your GitHub account is connected to Replit. If you see that you're connected, you're good to go. If not, follow the on-screen prompt to sign in and authorize access. Make sure you're connecting the correct GitHub account and granting the basic repository permissions so Replit can read and write to your repos. Once connected, close settings to return to the Git view. Head back to the main Git panel. If you've made changes in your project, Replit will detect them here. You'll typically see a list of modified files, and Replit may prompt you for a short commit message. Keep it clear and descriptive so your history stays readable. When you're ready, click, push on the right side. Replit will package the commit and send it to your linked GitHub repository. Wait for the confirmation. Don't navigate away until it finishes. If anything fails, double check your internet connection and that you still have GitHub authorization. Next, switch over to GitHub and open your repository. Refresh the page to confirm your latest commit appears at the top of the code tab. This is a quick way to verify that your push was successful and that your files are now safely stored in GitHub. From the repository page, click the code button. A small menu will appear with several options. Choose Download Zip to export the repository to your local machine. This bundles your current files into a compressed archive you can unpack and use offline. It's especially handy if you want a quick backup, share a snapshot with teammates, or run the project without setting up Git locally. A couple of quick tips as you work. Avoid committing secrets or environment variables to your repo. Keep commit messages meaningful and confirm you're pushing to the right